friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So today we are going to discuss that how to integrate Google Pay in Android or any mobile application, iOS or Windows app. So it is basically how to integrate the Google Pay in the application. So when you search for the code, this type of code you will get. So this is the code which is available. It is correct, but it will work on the conditions, otherwise it will show as a payment failed, that this transaction may be risky. Okay, it is code is correct, but some conditions are there. So um, before starting with before discussing about the condition, please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed the channel, and please like this video if you like, and please share this video to your friends. So the thing is that when Google Pay first of in the previous uh, version, Google Pay is allowed to integrate a Google payment to Google Pay in the mobile application. So it has no restriction. It has no security, means proper security. So this code was working successfully, and the payment was transaction was done successfully. But now he has increased the security. So in this security, you have to do many things before run executing this code. So you have to create a business profile. Okay, mine is under review because uh, I'm not a business woman, or I don't have any business. I just fulfill this page. So you have to create a business profile where you have to add your business data properly with whatever information he is asking, like PAN and GST number. If we convince that this business is very huge and it is also profitable to you and the Google Pay, means if your details are coming in the rules of business, Google Pay's rule, so it will approve your business profile. Okay, my business profile is under review. If this business profile is approved, then you can go through the integration. Okay, here it has wrote right here, it is done that business need to approve before UPID has enter. So here UPID will come of the bank, not your Google Pay UPID. It will come UPID of the bank where your account is added. uh, Here you have to verify. You can verify by transferring the amount that Google Pay transfer. For example, when you try to verify, Google Pay will transfer some rupees, for example, 1.30, 1.20 money in your account, and that money you have to enter in the text box, dialog box will pop up, and in the dialog box you have to enter that money. If this money you enter and the transaction done by the Google Pay are same, then it will be the verified. Okay, if this is verified, then here, sorry, then here another step will be there of next step. I don't know what is the next step, but there will be a next step where Google will provide something key or anything which will be helpful to you, which will allow you to do transaction in the Google Pay successfully. Without approving this business profile account, you will not able to do Google Pay transaction. So you have to go through this process. Okay, So I want to get this information. I was trying to uh, do a integrate. I'm trying to integrate Google Pay in my mobile application, but I was not able to do. I research and my where I'm doing a job, that owner of the company has apply a business profile. So he has filled up the form, and Google Pay send him a response that please send me your detail, what is your revenue and all these things. I will show you the mail. Uh, Hi, this is the mail I got. What is sent by Google Pay, that is asking for the video of the play for of your business and website or app. He required what is the pay flow of the business app website, and also how what product you will add in the cart, and the what is the checkout process until making payment. It required all the process. If it's satisfied, then it will allow you to use Google Pay. So you have to go through this all this process, and after this process is successful, you can use Google Pay. Otherwise you can't use Google Pay. If you throw error like a payment failed, this transaction may be risky or any other things. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like this press on the like button, and please share this video to your friends, and please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed. Thank you.